intro to our script is one of the most important parts. This is make or break for the cold call. So it's important to consistently work on the intro, refine it, nail it. This is the biggest thing that will affect your conversion rates. So the critical elements are sounding like you are calling an old friend. You want to kind of knock them off guard with the very first sentence. They shouldn't be sure if they're talking to a salesperson or if it's one of their buddies who called them up, and that question will hook them and keep them on the line in the beginning. So what that very first sound like, what that very first line sounds like is, "Hey Fred, how's it going?" A little bit of a pause. "This is Brandon. Did I catch you at a bad time?" There's going to be a little question in his mind whether you're a salesperson or not, and that is a good thing that will keep them past that first sentence. The goal of your cold calling is to get them first through the first sentence, the first part of the first sentence, and then it's to get them through the next part of the first sentence. It's get them to listen to the first part of the second sentence. Each word out of your mouth almost needs to leave them hanging so they can proceed to the next sentence. Your goal is to keep them engaged subconsciously enough to get to the question where you actually hook them, where you actually start talking about price. So that first little trick of sounding like, is this an old friend who called, is what's going to get them past that first spot. And then you're going to knock them off balance with just being brutally honest, and that will build a little bit of trust with them. So the next line is, "I know this is a bit of a random call, but we buy a lot of property in the area. I noticed you owed some vacant land we might be interested in buying." If you've got them to listen this long, that is the goal. Now you've put the hook out. We might be interested in buying your property. The final part of this is to not ask a question, just leave dead silence with an open-ended statement. "I'm talking about your land in Fulton County." Pause. Leave that 2 or 3 second pause. They're going to say, "Oh yeah," or they're going to say, "It's not important." That is where the sentence starts. That's where the cold call starts. The goal is to crush this first line, get so good at it that each part of that sentence you understand how it's structured, why it's there, so that you can keep people on the line. So this is more what it might sound like with all those parts involved. "Hey Frank, how's it going? This is Brandon. Did I catch you at a bad time?" "Well, I know this is a bit of a random call, Frank, but we buy a lot of property in the area. I noticed you have some vacant land we might be interested in buying." "Yeah, I'm talking about your land in Frederick County." Pause and just wait for the response. There's no question there. Then you can start getting into details. The call should flow from here. If you get them to acknowledge the land, they are going to generally want to hear a price more often. That is how you work on the opening. The better you get that opening, that will be the main factor that determines how many leads you capture along the way. I love crushing phone calls. Good to work with you. Keep up the good work. Let's go.
Before this video ends, I need to share something that's going to help you crush it. So I've made over 5 million cold calls and worked with dozens of land teams over the last year. And I cracked the code on how to hire a cold caller that'll get you 5 qualified leads a day, close $15,000 to $100,000 every single month. And I put together a complete cold caller hiring blueprint that I can show you exactly my interview questions that I use so that I can spot savages on the phone, people who actually show up and crush it. I've hired over 100 cold callers now. I know exactly what to look for. I'll also show you my quick 3-step filtering system that saved me thousands of dollars with bad hires, and all the steps from job posting through final interviews, how to pick a good talent, and then the exact pay structure and the onboarding that keeps my top performers from jumping ship. And a little hint is it's not obvious and it's not what most land investors do. I've had clients who've paid over $2,500 for this info. Right now, I'm giving it away completely free. I basically know that once you see how we operate, how effective we are with cold calling, all our processes, it's likely that you'll want to partner with us and scale your land team. So click below, get instant access to my complete cold caller hiring system. And don't wait, because it's likely I won't keep this free forever. One more thing, is that inside you'll also get access to my private school community where I share my entire cold calling system. I'm talking battle tested scripts that we've done millions of cold calls with, my follow up process that we use to qualify leads, how I manage the cold callers so they perform, and everything that's working right now in today's land investing market. So click below, get the free guide, and then let's start scaling your land business together.